So I noticed that Ham Radio Outlet finally had these in stock, so I went and picked up one today. They're $488 with tax. It's not too bad. Box is pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. I was kind of surprised. So there's the manual. That's some kind of something. G90. Some serial number. There's the radio itself. And it's like maybe they're using that for a remote cable for. Oh god, this is terrible though. So when the hell have you ever seen one this small? Yeah, Lord, it reminds me of the HR 2510, only it's about like way smaller. So that's probably a bad thing. Some kind of data cord. And then microphone. Very icon-ish looking. Yeah. It looks just like icon microphone. This thing is not focusing really good. Alright. Let me pause this and pull it. Holy shit, this fucker's heavy. I mean, like, you wouldn't believe it's heavy. Good lord. That's crazy. Let's get this box closed. Close it up. Okay. Holy crap. This thing's heavy. And upside down. So, pretty cool so far. Definitely surprised at the weight. So, this is just my initial unboxing. So, we'll do another video later. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll be coming out with more videos. 73.